Good evening guys, and today's video about SushiSwap. SushiSwap is exchanging at $1.19 in light of its United States dollars rate with a value change of 1.06% as of now. Sushi has a complete market capitalization of $151,334,044 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $182,804,003. This spot SushiSwap, Sushi, at 156 in the digital money market. SushiSwap price prediction May 2022. The typical SushiSwap, Sushi, cost could reach $1.27 toward the finish of May. Sushi could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $1.31 with a base cost expected at $1.15. SushiSwap price prediction June 2022. SushiSwap cost is supposed to arrive at any rate worth of $1.26 in 2022. Sushi cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.36 with a typical cost of $1.31 all through 2022. Sushi price prediction July 2022. In July 2022, SushiSwap cost ought to be around a base worth of $1.30. The SushiSwap price worth can arrive at a limit of $1.41 with a typical market worth of $1.35 in United States dollars. SushiSwap, Sushi, price prediction August 2022. For August, the cost of SushiSwap is supposed to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $1.38, while the coin will exchange between a high of $1.48 and a low of $1.32. SushiSwap, Sushi, price prediction September 2022. As for September 2022, the cost of SushiSwap is supposed to arrive at the least conceivable degree of $1.37. The sushi cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.54 with a typical figure cost of $1.42. SushiSwap, Sushi, price prediction October 2022. For October, the cost of SushiSwap is supposed to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $1.45, while the coin will exchange between a high of $1.61 and a low of $1.40. Sushi price prediction November 2022. In November 2022, SushiSwap cost ought to be around a base worth of $1.43. The SushiSwap price worth can arrive at a limit of $1.68 with a typical market worth of $1.49 in United States dollars. Sushi price prediction December 2022. In December 2022, SushiSwap cost ought to be around a base worth of $1.47. The SushiSwap price worth can arrive at a limit of $1.74 with a typical market worth of $1.54 in United States dollars. As of now, the code has been diminished by 17.3% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector capitalization of Sushi with that of yesterday, you can see that the market capitalization is likewise falling. SushiSwap battles to jump aboard with other crypto coins. The Sushi has tumbled to nearly 46.1% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing dangerous outlining fragments for the beyond couple of days. The coin could areas of strength for have, yet we don't figure it would be a beneficial resource in the close to term. The digital currency market is probably the greatest spot where a large number of individuals put away their cash to acquire benefit. The market is really continuing impeccably, and changes in the market generally show some significant impact on each coin. Many individuals are persistently looking to get appropriate data on moving coins and tokens. Here, we are introducing finished detail of SushiSwap, Sushi, since it is one of the absolute best and splendid tokens on the lookout. After it came to the moving part of the market, the fame of the token never goes down, and it consistently acquired a lot of consideration from the vast majority of the dealers. The token is quite astounding, in which currently numerous merchants put away their cash. Presently, you will get all the data about this symbolic here. Prior to telling about the value expectation of this token, you need to find out about the token. Thus, SushiSwap Sushi is a representation of a computerized market creator, AM. And as often as possible pervasive device among digital currency clients, AMs are decentralized trades that utilization shrewd agreements to fabricate a business opportunity for any sets of tokens. SushiSwap began in September 2021 as a fork of Uniswap, the AM, that has become inseparable from the decentralized money, DeFi, change, and the related exchanging Blast DeFi tokens. We foresee future SushiSwap sushi cost forecasts by applying inside and out man-made consciousness, help specialized investigation on past SushiSwap cost information. We make an honest effort to gather greatest authentic information for the sushi coin, which incorporates a few boundaries, for example, past price, SushiSwap market cap, SushiSwap volume and scarcely any others. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need a decent profit from your speculations, make certain to peruse our expectations. Sushi price prediction. Allow us additionally to let you know that SushiSwap was laid out by a pseudonymous substance referred to just as Chef Nomi. Little is had some significant awareness of Chef Nomi or his motivator to part from Uniswap. Presently, the token is really doing great on the lookout. Numerous dealers previously intending to put resources into this token. The ongoing cost of the token in the market is $11.39 United States dollars. Alongside it, you will get SushiSwap Sushi price prediction that will assist each dealer with getting an appropriate clue prior to putting resources into this token. Presently, you simply have to investigate each coin or token prior to effective money management. What is the SushiSwap cost today? Today SushiSwap Sushi is exchanging at $1.19 with a market cap of $151,334,044,000. What will be the most elevated conjecture cost for sushi for 2022? The sushi cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.74 toward the finish of 2022. Is SushiSwap a wise venture? The worth of SushiSwap ought to keep on ascending, as the lack will in general energize greater costs. If it's not too much trouble, note that any venture implies specific dangers. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to rushing to make judgment calls and do as much examination as possible. How far could SushiSwap at any point go? The typical cost of SushiSwap Sushi could reach $1.54 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $6.52 mark. What amount will SushiSwap be worth in 2030? As far as value, SushiSwap can possibly arrive at new levels. It is normal that sushi will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and exchange investigators, SushiSwap might arrive at the greatest cost of $47.34 until 2030.